student. Today we are in our question number 21. Question asked in TET 2012. Maximum number of electrons in a subcell with L equal to 3, N equal to 4. N equal to 4 means fourth orbit. L equal to 3 means L0S, L1P, L2D, L3 means F, 4F. So capacity of F are 7. To the 14. So for 14 maximum electrons will be present in it. Question number 22. Correct set of 4 quantum numbers for the valence electron of the rubidium. Actually rubidium atomic number 37. After krypton 36. હિલિયમ પછી 2s થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય, નિયોન પછી 3s, આર્ગોન પછી 4s and krypton પછી 5s. So 5s1. For 5s n equal to 5. outermost last electron છે valence છેલ્લામાં છેલ્લો 5s, એના ક્વોન્ટમ નંબર 5s માટે એટલે n equal to 5, s l equal to 0, ચુંબકીય ક્વોન્ટમ નંબર 0, 1 electron is there, so 5 0 0 and plus 1 half. Answer is C. Now 23. The angular orbital angular momentum of a p electron is given as in question number 23. Here formula: orbital angular momentum is equal to under root L into L plus 1 h upon 2 pi. For p electron L equal to 1. So here put down value 1. So 1 plus 1 2 root 2 h upon 2 pi. So here root 2 h, 2 means root 2 2 times. Why? 2 ni 1 half, 2 ni 1 half. Rest. The 1 half plus 1 half, hence 1. Let 2 હોય તો root 2 લખાય, root 2 one time cut, h upon root 2 pi is our answer. Like this. In 23 our answer is h upon root 2 pi. Now 24. Total number of atomic orbitals in fourth energy level of an atom is atomic orbitals how many? N is equal to 4. 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. S is 1, p are 3, d are 5, f are 7, so 16. N square gives 16. So B is our answer. The energy E1 and E2 of two radiations are 25 and 50 electron volt respectively. The relation between their wavelength λ1 and λ2 will be Yes, we know E1 equal to Hc upon lambda 1. E2 equal to Hc upon lambda 2. So E1 upon E2, Hc upon lambda 1, Hc upon lambda 2 cut. So E1 upon E2 will be lambda 2 upon up આવશે અને upon છે downward આવશે આ 25 આ 50. So 1 by 2 lambda 2 upon lambda 1. So lambda 1 equal to 2 times lambda 2. So answer is B. You can see in 25. Now 26. Question number 26. If n equal to 6, principal quantum number is 6. The correct sequence of filling of electrons will be. This question asked in 2011. Here n equal to 6 means 6s. Then after 6s, then after 4f, 6 minus 2, then 5d and 6p. This is order of filling. 6s, 4f, 6 લઈએ તો અહીંયા 4 થાય and 6 minus 1 5 died, 5d, here 4f and here 6p. Clear? So A is our answer. Now 27. According to the Bohr's theory, which of the following transition in hydrogen atom give rise to least energetic photon? એટલે ક્યાંથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ટ્રાન્ઝિટ થઈને આવે તો એની એનર્જી લેસ હોય છે. From which orbital is coming, so energy will be low. Actually electron transits from higher level to lower level. So in this transition actually energy change is directly proportional with 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. So electron when coming from 6th to 5th orbit, so this change is very low. 4, 3, 2 and 1 from 6th to 5th. Here 5, here 6. So square of 6, 36 minus 25 upon 25 into 36. So which is low. 6 માંથી 5th માં આવે તો least energy હોય છે. There is low energy. સિક્સ માંથી ફર્સ્ટ માં હતું તો હાઈએસ્ટ એનર્જી રિલીઝ થાય. 5 માંથી 4 માં આવે તો એનાથી મોર થાય. 6 માંથી 5 માં આવે એ આન્સર. 5 માંથી 3 આવે તો એનર્જી ચેન્જ મોટો આવે. તો અહીંયા એનર્જી ચેન્જ સાવ લેસ હોય છે. Now 28, question number 28. 0.66 kilogram ball is moving with a speed of 100 meter per second. Associate wavelength will be. Here we have to use the Broglie equation. Lambda equal to h upon mv. 6.626 minus 34 joule into second. Mass 0.66, velocity 100. 0.66 into 100 means 66. So 6.66, 66. So here will be 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 34. Point decimal point 1 digit moves on left right hand side. So rest in degrees is minus 35. So 1 into 10 raised to minus 35 meter is our answer. Question number 29. Maximum number of electrons in a subcell of an atom is determined by the following which formula? By using 12 plus 1 formula, number of orbitals आप yes s लें तो 4s l equal to 0, 4s orbital. So you can see 2 into 0 plus 1 means only 1, s equal. When we multiply by 2 means 4l plus 2 gives number of electron for s orbital l equal to 0. So 4 into 0 plus 2, so 2. So capacity of having electron in particular orbital we can define by using formula. या formula ઉપરથી જે તે ઓર્બિટલ માં સબસેલ માં SPDF સબસેલ કહેવાય એમાં નંબર ઓફ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ આના ઉપરથી પણ સબસેલની ઓર્બિટલ્સ છે એ આના ઉપરથી. Here answer is D. Now 30. Which of the following is not the permissible arrangement of electron in the atom? Yes, one by one. N equal to 5. So L will be 0 to n minus 1 means 0 to 5 minus 1, 0 to 4. L 3 હોઈ શકે. N ની વેલ્યુ 5 હોય ને તો L ની વેલ્યુ આ ફોર્મ્યુલા પર 0 to n minus 1 એટલે 0 to n minus 1, 0 to 4 તેમાં 3 આવી જાય. L ની વેલ્યુ 0 to 4 છે, so ml will be 0 હોઈ શકે. એ પણ છે. સ્પિન પ્લસ 1 આ 4 માઇનસ પોસિબલ. n equal to 3, so L will be 0 to 2, 0, 1 and 2. So n's value will be possible. No, L ની value 2 છે, L ની value 2 whenever, so ml will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2, 5. Minus 3 is not possible. એટલે L ની value n કરતા less હોય અને m ની value L જેટલી હોય એનાથી ઓછી હોય, એનાથી મોર તો ના જ હોય. આ 2 છે તો -3 આ તો ડિસાઇડ થશે. So that is not possible. Question number 31. If uncertainty in position and momentum, position means delta x, momentum means delta p, are equal, then uncertainty and velocity is delta x equal to delta p. So uncertainty and velocity will be, so here we know delta x into delta p equal to h upon 4 pi. Here delta x equal to delta p, so delta p into delta p, h upon 4 pi. Delta p equal to m into delta v. Put down here. So m into delta v 2 times. So delta v square, n square into delta v square, mm 2 times delta v. So delta v square equal to h upon 4 pi n square. When we take root both sides, so delta v under root h 4 pi n square. Square root of 4 gives 2. And n square root out of bracket it will be h upon 2m, 1 upon 2m बार આવશે. n square root m, 4 no root 2, so h upon 5, 1 upon 2m under root h upon pi is our answer. Now question number 32. Question number 32. Measurement of electron position associated with an uncertainty momentum which is equal to momentum 1 into in CGS, gram into second per second, gram into centimeter per second. The uncertainty velocity will be, and mass of electron is given 9 into 10 raised to minus 28 gram. Delta P equal to m into delta V. Here 1 into 10 raised to minus 18. Mass is given 9 into 10 raised to minus 28. So delta V will be 1 into 10 raised to minus 18 divided by 9 into 10 raised to minus 28. When 1 divided by 9, actually 0.11 આવશે 10 raised to minus 28. Here plus 28 માંથી 18 જાય so 10. 0.11 into 10 raised to 10. One digit 1 moves in right hand side. So 1.1 10 raised to 9 centimeter per second is our answer. Now question number 33. Consider the following set of quantum number. Which of the set is not possible? हमने डिस्कस કર્યું n ની વેલ્યુ 3 તો l છે લેસ ધેન 3 હોય n 3 so l 0 to n minus 1 0 to 3 minus 1 એટલે 0 to 2 0 1 and 2 એ પોસિબલ છે. l ની વેલ્યુ n કરતા લેસ હોય પોસિબલ. L ની વેલ્યુ 0 હોય so ml will be 0. Yes, this one possible. આપણે આ પોસિબલ છે, આપણે નોટ પોસિબલ ડિફાઇન કર્યું. n ની વેલ્યુ 2 so else value will be 0 to 2 minus 1 0 to 1 એટલે 2 ના હોય. સિમિલર એનાથી લેસ હોવી જોઈએ, ત્યાં પોસિબલ નથી. n's value 3 so else value will be 0 to 4 minus 1 so 0 to 3 0 1 2 and 3 is possible. L value 3 means ml will be minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 and plus 2 3 so minus 2 is possible. Spin minus 1 up or plus 1 up possible. Here n equal to 1 so L will be 1 minus 1 so 0 else value 0 so impossible. But here you can see L equal to 0 so ml will be 0 ml minus L 0 to plus L so this is not possible. Fifth one n ની value 3 તો L ની 2 થાય. yes L ની 2 હોય તો ml minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2 થાય. 3 possible નથી. So 2 4 and 5 is not possible. Answer is B. 34 the orientation of an atomic orbital is governed by principal quantum number n, azimuthal quantum number L, spin quantum number or magnetic quantum number. Orientation of an atomic orbital. Orientation means direction. Px, Py and Pz. Yes, this is orientation, particular direction. We can give by using magnetic quantum number. In 34, answer is D. Magnetic quantum number. Now question number 35. Given the mass of electron 9.11 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. Planck constant is given 6.626 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. Uncertainty involved in the measurement of velocity within a distance of 0.1 angstrom is the uncertainty in the measurement of velocity within a distance. In this case, delta x is given 0.1 angstrom, 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Planck constant is given, mass is given. We have to define uncertainty in the velocity. So question number 35, you can see delta x into delta p equal to h upon 4 pi. Instead of delta p, there should be m into delta v. 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Mass 9.11 10 raised to minus 31. Delta v you have to define. Planck constant joule into second 4. Value of pi 3.14. So delta v will be 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 0.1 10 raised to minus 10, 9.11 10 raised to minus 31 and 4n 3.14, 5.79 10 raised to 6 meter per second is our answer. Now question number 36. The energy of second Bohr orbit of the hydrogen atom is minus 328 kilojoule per mole. Hence energy of the fourth orbit, Bohr orbit would be, yes, we can define energy proportional with z square upon n square. For hydrogen, z equal to 1. So 1 upon n1 square. In second orbit, E2, 1 upon n2 square. Now in fourth orbit, E4 equal to n square 4. So E2 upon E4 equal to n square 4 upon n2 square. Energy in fourth orbit 328. The fourth orbit marketing. Fourth means square of 4. Here square of 2. Second orbit. So minus 328 divided by E4. Square of 4 16. Here 4 4 ja. So E4 equal to minus 328 divided by 4 gives minus 82 kilojoule per mole is our answer. Now 37. The frequency of radiation emitted when the electron falls from fourth orbit to first orbit. Electron જ્યારે fourth orbit માંથી first orbit માં ટ્રાન્ઝિટ થાય છે ત્યારે frequency for hydrogen atom will be, now given ionization energy of hydrogen 2.18 10 raised to minus 18 joule per atom. Planck constant is given. In the question number 37, yes, using this formula, E equal to h into nu. So nu equal to E upon h. So energy is 21.76 10 raised to minus 19 joule per atom. Here 1 upon 4 n2 square minus n1 square. Here n2 is 4, n1 is 1. So 20.14 10 raised to minus 19 joule. This formula of energy 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18. Here 19, one digit move થાય, minus 18 minus 19. Okay. Actually formula 2.18 10 raised to minus 18 1 upon n1 square minus n2 square. Here 4, here 1. So like this energy is derived. The difference between fourth energy level to first. So delta E equal to h upon lambda, h nu. So nu equal to E upon h. When we divide this value by Planck constant, so it gives 3.079 10 raised to 15 Hertz is our answer. Now question number 38. The value of Planck constant is 6.63 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. The velocity of light 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Which value is closest to the wavelength in nanometer of a quantum of light with frequency 8 into 10 raised to 15? Wavelength define કરવી છે, frequency given છે. So very simple. Lambda equal to C upon nu. Using this formula we can define question number 38. Lambda equal to C upon nu. 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 8 into 10 raised to 15. So when we divide 3 by 8, so 0.375. 15 here by minus 7. और 2 digit आम होता है minus 9 डायरेक्ट आपेલું છે. Minus 9 means nano. The 37.5 nanometer, around about 40. So 4 into 10 raised to 1 nanometer is our answer. 39. In hydrogen atom, energy of first excited stage is 3.4 electron volt. Then find out kinetic energy of same orbit of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen નો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્બિટમાં હોય. ફર્સ્ટ એક્સાઇટેડ સ્ટેજ એટલે સેકન્ડ ઓર્બિટ. એમાં એનર્જી 3.4 electron volt is given. So kinetic energy of electron in second orbit will be, we have to define. Then question number 39, you can see kinetic energy equal to 1/2 mv square. So pi is square upon nh into 2a. Actually nu equal to 2 pi is square upon nh and square of it. So kinetic energy excited state will be minus Ke. Our formula, kinetic energy equal to 1 half mv square. Yes, sir. So kinetic energy minus of 1 half mv square. When we use this formula, so pi square. Here in it will be cut and gives 1 half mv square. આ કંઈ જરૂર નથી, એટલે યાદ રાખો 1 half mv square is equal to minus k. So kinetic energy equal to excited. The energy of first excited stage is 3.4 electron volt. So kinetic energy same of that orbital will be 1 half mv square equal to kinetic energy minus, but 1 half mv square is given 3.4 electron volt. So minus minus plus. So plus 3.4 electron volt is our answer. Now question number 14. Main axis of a diatomic molecule is Z. આપણે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 4 માં આવશે. સમજાયું? Molecular orbital px and py overlap to form which of the following orbitals? આ ચેપ્ટર 4 નો ક્વેશ્ચન છે. છતાંય જોઈ લે. pz and pz overlap થાય. So it forms a sigma bond. But px and px, py and py forms a pi bond. In the question number 14 you can see this is actually question of chapter number 4 for pi overlapping. Pi px and py છે. એ axial નથી, एक्सिस ऊपर ओवरलैपिंग नहीं, परपेंडिकुलर टू एक्सियल એટલે પાઈ કહેવાય. ચેપ્ટર 4 નો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, ચેપ્ટર 2 નો નથી. Now bye, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.